Alright, just rolling up to the job site. It's a little wet today, boys and girls. We can get the skiddy unloaded. Alright, so this is what we're doing. We're planting a bunch of trees and stuff. This is a new apartment complex they're building. And we're going to be planting a bunch of pine trees and stuff and doing a bunch of the landscaping, like these median areas and up in front of the apartment building. And just prep everything for final grade topsoil and get grass growing. Go over here and see what Skitty Boy is doing. It was his birthday last night. Someone's feeling a little hung today. How you feel today, big guy?
Like I want to do drugs.
No drugs. Stay off drugs, kids.
You'll end up like me.
Big 24, how do you feel?
Like shit.
Yes. Let's go. Time to head to the job site. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the dirt work. All right. Today we're gonna be out here planting some trees, a bunch of plants on a new apartment build. We got that big boy auger with the big stick. Let's go, son. Out here in a freaking landmine. Jeez, look at all these flags. Hopefully we don't knock out the block's power, or the water, or the gas. Everything could be a mess. Let's see if we can weave through this maze and plant some trees.
that burlap off these ones this time.
Why?
They grow so much better.
This water line goes over here.
It goes straight, it says.
So what's that?
watermark. I'll show you it.
Day number 1 of planting trees. Laziest dude I've ever met. What do this how do this? Hey, you don't control things. Get everything wrapped up. So we got trees all the way down that line. The same as that. Got a bunch on this side. So we did some pine trees, some maple trees, some oak trees, a whole bunch of different kinds. I think we got probably 300 trees and plants to do, so we're about a quarter of the way. We augured out all the holes. That was nice, having the auger made a huge difference. And yeah, we'll catch back up on the project. Let's go! What's up, YouTube? Good morning. Here nice and bright and early today. Got a bunch of these trees planted. So I'm the kind of guy, I'm always trying to get things done. Work smarter, not harder. Some people will be like, bro, you're lazy, dig them holes. And to those guys, fuck yourself, bro. Not gonna happen. I'll show you this little, not the right tool, but the right tool. Yeah, they have tools for this, but we didn't have that option. We bought this cheaper one from Harbor Freight, and I'll show you what we got. It's kind of funny, but it's kind of not funny because it works. Alright, the ice auger tool. We're using that to blast in these holes for these plants. Literally can blast out 20 holes in like 5 minutes. So much faster. We got all of these plants to do. Had over 200 and something plants on this job that we've planted so far. So let's get to all.